Foundation, and I'd like to just share what we do with here at Medical Bridges to help support organizations like yours. So if you allow us, Robert will start it.
Some say green is the new black in terms of the business bottom line and the benefits to our global environment. But it is hard to picture the beauty when you see how much trash is piling up in the landfills. Recycling, reuse, and rethinking the reality of how much we throw away is a major challenge. 10 years ago, Medical Bridges realized that billions of dollars worth of perfectly good surplus, unused medical equipment and supplies was destined for the dump. By law, items that could not be used in this country, but could be put to use in places around the world where many are in need. By reaching out to hospitals and health institutions, Medical Bridges was able to buy a new 28,000 square foot warehouse where critical medical items could be stored. With the help of a corporate and individual volunteer force, these items are salvaged, sorted, and sent to deserving clinics and organizations all over the world. Some 81 countries on 5 continents have requested and received supplies and equipment from Medical Bridges via 40-foot containers filled with life-saving supplies worth up to $500,000 each, shipped through the Port of Houston. Or there are the international flights, laden with suitcases, packed with tens of thousands of dollars worth of supplies, hand-carried through George Bush Intercontinental Airport. 95% of the money raised by Medical Bridges goes directly to providing services and supplies. Only 5% goes to administrative costs. Some who work with Medical Bridges have seen the benefits and impact firsthand. Medical Bridges can only survive because of the unwavering generosity in this international city, the 4th largest in the United States. A city of high-tech, far-reaching dreams, and big oil, which is an industry that has built economies, jobs, and goodwill in countless countries, and Medical Bridges is helping this industry meet these goals. Houston is home to the largest medical center on the planet, a place that produces research, cures, and treatments that affect tens of millions of people. And Medical Bridges helps spread the benefits to an international community clamoring for help. On behalf of the people you have helped, Medical Bridges says thank you. Thank you for the volunteers. Thank you for the life-saving donations. Thank you for understanding that the work you help us do benefits people everywhere, including right here at home. Because waste is not an option in our world.
And with the supplies that we have in our inventory, the hospitals in Pakistan select the supplies that they need from our inventory. So we made a match with the equipment that Robert found here and our equipment. So today it's the day that we are loading the container, and we will close the container. And I hope they arrive to the port in the afternoon, and next week will be departure to Pakistan. The idea is that if volunteers are preparing a box, this box is for my country of origin. Right. So this is the network or the link that we are trying to develop here.
Yeah, Hashoo Foundation is doing a great job, and Cristal here in the US is doing a fantastic work for different projects that Hashoo Foundation, welfare projects that Hashoo Foundation has undertaken in Pakistan, and we are really grateful to Hashoo Foundation, to Medical Bridges, and I'm sure this collaboration would continue, and there will be many more such donations.
Very important to involve the children on the level. They're the next generation. We did a similar project with Ethiopia and had children from America and Ethiopia here putting together a container, and it was extremely impactful. We got calls from their parents where the kids went back and told their parents. So I think in the future, if we collaborate, children must be a part of it.
We'd like to thank every single one of you, especially Medical Bridges, for this wonderful collaboration in trying to put together this humanitarian container that will be sent to 3 health centers and a center for children with disabilities. And I would like to take this opportunity to get Robert to share with all of us the story of how he came across the rehabilitation equipment for the children, because it is really a wonderful story, and I really appreciate your perseverance, keeping these children in mind. And you got it, you did it. So thank you so much for just being so focused on trying to help these children, and I just would like for you to share your story.
Between Eduardo and Cristal, I heard the passion of what we were trying to do. And I contacted 2 of my key contacts, which was Shriners Hospital for Children and a physician, a number of physicians. Well, as the universe would have it, on this particular occasion, one doctor was closing his practice. He had 75% of everything we needed for the foundation. And interestingly enough, I didn't make personal contact. He heard from another physician what I was looking for. Went over, and after 3 meetings of inspecting the equipment, I took the pictures, sent them to Cristal. She approved of it. We even had a mover who just came right in, moved the items over. At Shriners Hospital, I have to really give credit to them. Mimi Penn, who is the person, when I went over and talked to her about what we were trying to do and how important, she felt the passion. Some of the items, there's a blue chair out there, you'll see it, came from North Carolina. We didn't even have it in Texas. She saw the picture, called her contact in North Carolina, and had it shipped to Houston. So it was just an incredible, incredible experience. And it really boosted my ego, because it's like, okay, we can do this, you know. So I'm just really honored to have been a part of this. And on behalf of Medical Bridges, thank you for letting us be a part of this.